Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Weiser door lock. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your brand new Weiser lock set. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit for easy visibility. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the components of your new lock before you begin the installation process. This preparation will ensure a smooth and efficient replacement. Now, let's remove the old lock. On the interior side of your door, locate and remove the two screws holding the handle or knob in place. Once these are out, carefully separate the interior and exterior halves of the lock set. Next, move to the edge of the door and unscrew the two small screws securing the latch plate. With these steps complete, the old lock should come out easily, preparing the door for its replacement. With the old lock removed, it's time to install the new components. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, ensuring the beveled side faces the door frame for proper closure. Secure this latch plate firmly with the two provided screws, making sure it sits perfectly flush with the door's edge. Then, carefully slide the exterior portion of your new lock through the main hole in the door, aligning it precisely with the latch mechanism. To finalize the installation, attach the interior portion of the lock set. Align its posts with the exterior part and secure it tightly using the two long screws provided. Once everything is fastened, test the lock's operation thoroughly. Turn the knob or lever to ensure it moves smoothly, and if applicable, check the deadbolt mechanism. Make any minor adjustments to the screw tension for optimal function and a perfectly secure fit, ensuring your new lock works flawlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.